Welcome back. Today we are working on our core. Yes, flat belly goals, anyone? And so it's a 10-minute flat belly but total core workout, and trust me, you're gonna love today's workout. Alrighty, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can do that right away. Click it right now and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when a new video comes up, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you once again for stopping by. I am QueenIwo and we'll go right into today's workout. So the first thing we're going to do, each exercise is going to be for 30 seconds. 2 sets of one exercise, rest for 15 seconds, 2 sets again, and we're going to continue for we're doing about 8 exercises, and total time will be 10 minutes. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, reach up, down, reach up, down, keep going, up and down, 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 and down, and then you go to the other side this way, cross, inhale, exhale. Make sure you're not pulling your neck, just keep it flexible enough to reach up. Beautiful. And 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, yes, and 15 seconds rest. The next exercise we're going to do, so just going to go this way, all right, and so we can start now. Let's go. Down, take it to the other side, keep your head down, okay, and this way, and keep going, make sure you're breathing. Almost there. Keep going. 2 and 1. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to come up and reach up and reach up and reach up and keep going. Whew. Reach. Breathing in and out. Last one, good. Resting for 15 seconds. And we're coming on all fours. We're going to do the dolphin planks already. So you can stay here and let's go. So you pull up and come back in. Pull your belly button in, lift up and come back in. Lift up and come in. If you feel you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, you can come on your elbows, down, reach up, and come down. Yeah, reach up and down. We're almost there. Woo. 5 more seconds. And down. Last one. Beautiful. And down. Rest for 15 seconds. And then we're going to side plank. So you can fold your leg here or lift it here, and then all you just do is come in and out. Squeeze in and take it back out. Good job. And then we'll be switching sides immediately. Take another break. Keep going. Reach, come in and out. Remember, you can go with your knees if you're beginner. Inhale and exhale. Last one. And switch sides. Quickly, quickly. So let's go in and out. In and reach out. So you can stay this way. Just come here, reach out. Right? Excellent. Almost there. Keep going. Last one. Beautiful. 15 seconds rest. Yeah. So we're going to still go on our forearms again. If you would like, you can stay this way, but I prefer to stay here. And we're going rainbows. Inhaling and exhaling. Keep going. Breathe in and out. How are you feeling? 15 seconds gone. Make sure you're breathing. 3, 2, 1. Next, straight up, cross mountain climbers. Just cross. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Just keep going. And now, your heart rate should be all over the place. Just keep going. Almost there. 5 more seconds. Woo! 3, 2, and last one. 15 seconds. Rest. Okay. You're going back down, so let's stay this way. Alright. 5 more seconds. We'll do the bridge kick. So you go lift on one leg and we switch sides. So up and down and up. So you're extending, you want to put your hands here, lift it up and down, reach up. You can take it down if you want. Make sure you're breathing. Good, keep going. Excellent. Almost there. Now we switch sides. Keep going. Beautiful. Excellent. Good job. 15 seconds gone. On this side. Keep going. 5 more seconds. Stay with it. And then that's the last one we could take. 15 seconds rest. Oh, good. Now the next one we're going to do would be leg drops. So you can put your hand under your butt this way. Lift your legs and drop. 1. Take it back so you point down and bring it back up. Point down. Take it back up, point down, take it back up, down, take it back up, and down, keep going, down, and up, down, up, almost there, whoo, fantastic. The next we're going to do is the scissors, and then close. So let's go, 1, 2, 3, 4 scissors, and open and close. 3, 4. So up, down, open, close, Yeah, that's it. Up, down, open, close. Woo! Up, down. Don't worry, we're gonna rest. Yeah. Up, down. Last one. Beautiful. 15 seconds rest. We're going to flip it right over. And the last 2 exercises will be done on our tummy. So the first thing we're going to do, lift, open and close. Yeah. Inhaling and exhaling. You've got this. Come on. Keep going. You're strong, remember? Woo! Almost there. Keep going. I know, like, this is burning, like, OMG. Oh my God. Almost there. Now we do the very last one. Good, and the last one, you lift up and down. So lift up and down. So this, if this is really tough for you, just take one leg up and bring it down. Other leg up and bring it down. Ready? So keep going. Down and up and down. Beautiful. We're almost there, guys. Stay with it. About 10 more seconds now. We're done. Good job. 3, 2, last one. Excellent. And we made it. So you can actually do this exercise like 2 times for the entire round. You can do this 2 times. You can do this 3 times as you get fitter and stronger. You can do this 4 times if you want to push yourself. But you can try this every day for the next 14 days, 7 to 14 days, and share with me by all means your results. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and all your contacts so that we can grow a community of people who are fitter, healthier, and happier. Plus, it helps me be more visible on YouTube. Until I come your way again, be fit, stay alive to your dreams. God bless you.